The UAS mapping applications I looked at, they were coastal erosion, sargassum monitoring, and sea turtle monitoring. The results for the ecosystem-based map, in total, I had a flying time of 94 minutes. The drone used was the DJI Air 2S with drone deploy. In total, 437 images were captured, 105 hectares was mapped, and I had a resolution of 3.5 centimeter per pixel. As it relates to the corridor on your right, I intend to use this to monitor sargassum influxes. This corridor had a total flight time of 6 minutes. In total, 98 images were captured using one battery. In total, 5 hectares was mapped, and the flying height and the corridor width was 70 meters. For the monitoring site results, I did several annotation measurements. First of all, I did points for schools. I identified a recreational ground. I also identified an area in Speyside that is a critical nesting site for sea turtles. I also did count measurements for fishing vessels and yachts. I also did distance measurements for rivers and also coastal erosion. In total, I had 2 issues. One was a blocked drain, and this led to the ocean. It was filled with a lot of litter. And the other one was a river that had algal bloom growth. My recommendation strategy moving forward, ideally, this site should be mapped biannually. The same flight plan can be utilized. A video plan should be created along the coastal erosion area, and this will help to provide a clear visual record of the changes over time. For sargassum monitoring and management, there should be some adjustments to the current corridor plan to include areas further up the coastlines. This will be done on a monthly basis during the peak season, and this will enable for better planning or removal and also reducing the impact on tourism and marine life. The mapping area should also include reef health monitoring to closely monitor for bleaching events, algal blooms, or other signs of stress related to changes in water quality over time. And lastly, for sea turtle monitoring, I think that this should be conducted during the turtle nesting season to document nesting patterns, to assess the beach conditions, and also to detect any erosion or sargassum buildup that could threaten turtle habitats.